Hey guys, I'm here in Southwest Colorado where GMC brought me out here to drive this, the 2017 GMC Sierra Heavy Duty with the new Duramax V8, but I really want to drive this truck. Check it out. It's the All-Terrain X. This is the top offering for off-road trucks from GMC. Let's take it off-road and see how it does. There are a lot of good things about the all-terrain off-road package and the All-Terrain X, which is the top of the line off-roader for GMC heavy duties. And of course, one is tires. These Goodyear Wrangler Duratracs are awesome tires. What makes the All-Terrain X special? Well, of course, there's an off-road tuned suspension with Rancho shocks. There are blacked out wheels with Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires. There's some underbody protection. And there's some cosmetic touches as well. There are the running boards you see here, and there's a light bar in the back for additional lighting. Of course, the suspension is great, soaking up the bumps really well. There's also some underbody protection. But there's also a couple of negatives. The GMC All-Terrain X comes with a front chin spoiler, which can touch. Of course, it's removable, not easily removable, but it is removable. The All-Terrain X has many great off-road features, but two not so great ones. First is this chin, which limits the approach angle. And there's also the DEF tank, which is now bigger for 2017, and that protrudes below the frame. And that's not great off-road. The GMC All-Terrain X reminds me, by size, it reminds me of the Power Wagon in the heavy-duty class. And there is an automatically locking rear differential in this truck, but no front locker like in the Power Wagon. And this trail is relatively easy, but the suspension, I love how compliant the suspension is. It's soaking up every bump. Here's the big news, the 6.6-liter Duramax diesel V8 with 445 horsepower class leading number and 910 pound-feet of torque, which is not class leading, but still really awesome. It's backed up by a 6-speed Allison automatic transmission, and this has a functional hood scoop. The air comes in the center. There's a water separator here where you can drain any excess water, and then over there it goes into the air cleaner. Woo! I'm using a little bit of speed in this section. I love how these Rancho shocks and the suspension are soaking up this trail really easy. The seats are really comfortable. They have some additional stitching. Heavy-duty trucks are great off-road because I feel like I can just pound the dirt into submission. And this powerful Duramax V8 made that 20-degree slope no problem. Go back to tfltruck.com for more news, views, and real-world reviews, and of course, more first drives off-road.